Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. I am Mamta Nagrat. I have come up with a new video on bachelor's degree program which is going to start in summer semester. So I am going to give you brief details about the course, about the university, about the deadlines of the program, and I will give you brief details about how you can go about for attending this course. So without wasting your time, let us start. A little background about the university. Magdeburg Stendal University of Applied Sciences, founded in 1991, the university has long gained a reputation for its well-rounded academic education program and motivated student body. Interested students can choose from around 50 study programs taught at 3 departments in Magdeburg and 2 departments in Stendal. Around 130 professors guarantee a very good staff to student contact ratio, with approximately 4,200 students in Magdeburg and 2,100 in Stendal. Low cost. If you are about to start your student's life, you probably are thinking about your student budget. No problem. The semester fee is affordable, and in Magdeburg it also includes the use of the local transit system. The housing in Magdeburg and Stendal is low price and of good quality. 60% of graduates who find a job within 3 months after graduation. 59 number of nations represented on campus. So the course is Sustainable Resources, Engineering and Management. In short, it is called STREAM. Magdeburg Stendal University of Applied Sciences, Magdeburg. This is the name of the university. The degree is assigned as Bachelor's of Engineering, B Engineering. The teaching language is English. Courses are held in English 100%. Students have the possibility to take optional courses taught in German language. Program duration is 7 semesters, beginning summer semester. More information of beginning of studies. The scheduled starting date is 1st April 2022. Application deadline. Applicants with foreign certificates 30th November. Applicants with German certificates 15th January. Tuition fee per semester in euro is none. Description / content. The scheduled starting date is 1st April 2022. STREAM is an interdisciplinary international bachelor's program that combines engineering and economics with a special focus on sustainability as an overlapping theme. On the one hand, graduates acquire basic knowledge in engineering and in economics. On the other hand, they know and understand the principles of sustainable development as well as its importance for the economy and industry, the environmental and society in Germany as well as international society. Tuition fee per semester in euro is none. Semester contribution approximately 125 euro per semester, including a semester ticket covering public transport in Magdeburg. Cost of living. Accommodation approximately 250 euro. Cost of living approximately 200 euro. Students who have to apply for a visa need proof of sufficient financial resources, about 853 euro per month. That means the students who are coming from non-EU countries, they have to show that they have a financial resource of about 853 euro per month when they are applying for visa. Funding opportunities within the university, yes, that means one can apply for scholarship after joining this course. Description of the above mentioned funding opportunities within the university. International students from their second year of studies can apply for scholarships such as the Otto von Guericke scholarship, €500 per month for 1 year, the Deutschland Spendium Germany scholarship, €300 per month, or the DAD prize, a one-off payment of €1,000 one time. Academic admission requirements: no restricted admission. Anybody can apply for if they have a 13 years of study. 13 years of studies when it comes to the non-EU students. And for EU students, they should have a arbiter qualifications. Special admission requirements: evidence of English language knowledge must be provided, level B2 or above. Level B2 or above means it should be around level 6 IELTS score. Please note the requirements might change since the planning of bachelor's program has not been completed yet. Language requirements: evidence of English language knowledge must be provided, level B2 or above according to the Common European Framework of References of Language CEFR. Application deadline: applicants with foreign certificates 30th November, applicants with German certificates 15th January. Submit application with foreign certificates via https://www.uniassist.de/en. This link I will give in the description box. I will also give the link of the subject course. I will also give you the link of the university. Application with German certificates via https://onlinecampus.h2.de. Possibility of finding part-time employment: qualified students can work as academic assistants at institutes of our university or at companies in the region. A comprehensive collection of links to miscellaneous job websites is offered by the Career Center DE. All relevant information on working while you are a student is available on the website of the German Academic Exchange Service DAD. Accommodation is available from Students' Work Magdeburg or on the private market. Students must organize their own accommodation. The International Office provides helpful information on how to find accommodation. Career advisory service is there. You can always consult the website of the Career Center available in German. So guys, this was all about the BSc Information Engineering by this is all about the course of Magdeburg Stendal University of Applied Sciences Sustainable Resources Engineering and Management STREAM course. This is all about this course, and I will give you the course modules in the description box. I will try to give you the maximum information on the description box. I am also giving you the contact details of my email ID in the description box. And guys, if you want to know any question, please, you are free to contact me. And I may tell you, this course is going to start first time in the Magdeburg University. This is still under construction. This course is still under construction, and they have not restricted this to any particular subject. So when you see the modules, when you see the module structure, if your qualifications are matching with that module structure, you can definitely apply for this course. And IELTS score is of the level B2. B2 means you should have a 6.0 IELTS score. However, you must consult the website when you apply, and you have to apply. Non-EU students have to apply through UniAssist for getting their assessment of qualifications. So thank you so much for giving your valuable time, and do subscribe and give a thumbs up, like button. Thank you so much.